Hey, what's up, Anchor coin holder? What's going on this time? You can see here Anchor coin will get a profit 9.15%. It's really huge, my friends. This time you can see here because all crypto market is not comfortable. Every coin will very badly falls down. And remember, my friends, to if Anchor coin will moving upward in this time. So one thing, my friend, I want to tell you this 100% I will give you guarantee, my friends, to Anchor coin will make you millionaire, my friend, at the end of month. Because this time all currency were very badly falls down. I can't expect, my friend, from Anchor coin to they will get a profit like that, but absolutely this is reality. This is absolutely reality, my friend. You can see here absolutely everything is going, you can see here on the screen now. So therefore try to understand, holder, if a coin will move upward, you will need to hold it and you will need to buy it more and more, because this is very good coin and profitable coin, my friends. Some coins were very badly falls down this time. For example, Shiba Inu coin. In previous days, Shiba Inu will completely blooms, completely trend on the all crypto market. This is, but I tell my all viewers, my subscribers, this is temporary pump, but they cannot understand. So try to understand, Anchor coin holder, please. If you want to get a profit, this is absolutely, my friends, permanent jump. This is not a temporary pump. I hope, my friends, Anchor coin will never fails down and they will completely wake up and give you a profit. So please try to understand, my Anchor coin holder. Hope you understand. Please hold it and don't starting selling. Remember, to in upcoming time Anchor coin price will be increasing now. See you next time, holders. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel.